We are living in a time wherein almost everything can be done through an easier alternative, an age where convenience is common and ubiquitous. We are in a culture of convenience, a period wherein people do not like dealing with hassles, do not like to be kept waiting, and strongly dislike doing any sort of physical movement, even if it will only take a little effort and a bit of time. Taking and using cars to take a trip down places within walking distances have become the norm. Businesses such as local food marts and drugstores have become adept at erecting their spaces near consumer and residential districts. Additionally, online deliveries and logistics that can be done with the tap of the finger have caught the masses. These mainstream approaches towards convenience have brought and offered satisfaction and a handful of advantages. As heavenly as this sounds to many of us, let's not overlook that in this regard, we have formed a culture of convenience. And along with this culture, it has brought in a handful of inconvenient consequences. Since most people at this day and age are limited and indolent in doing any form of physical exercise and movement, it has brought health and mental issues. There is a saying that goes, "Take care of your body, it's the only place that you have to live in." This statement applies in a timely manner. A person only has a single body and a single life and no other. Therefore, people should realize and be informed of the importance and benefits of physical exercise. As a healthy individual who desires to help others who are engulfed in this culture of convenience, who are looking to improve their physical and mental well-being, I am here to discuss in depth the positive rationality and benefits of physical exercise. Let's begin. First and foremost, an individual regulating a frequent routine of physical movement gets better quality sleep, which results in less stress and better moods. And did you know that according to a study done by Dr. Ellen Bogan at Harvard University, quality sleep promotes better memory consolidation, meaning an individual can process information better and it can make him or her smarter. Furthermore, they added that a sleep-deprived individual will have trouble mentally performing at an optimal level, together with the inefficiency to learn at a better rate. SCL Health also states that getting quality sleep will boost your immune system. The proteins and cells within your body get enough energy to combat any diseases like flu and common cold. Not to mention, it renders vaccines more effective, which is a huge plus. Since we're in a time of pandemic, there's all the more reason to engage in physical exercise together with a good quality sleep. Another benefit of physical exercise is that it improves a person's mental health. It reduces the chances of experiencing depression and anxiety. Along with this, exercise has been rendered effective for the alleviation of low self-esteem and societal withdrawal. In a scholarly study done by Sharma et al., exercises such as cycling, running, and swimming have shown evidence for the reduction of anxiety and depression, a reduction which was caused by the increase of blood circulation to the brain brought by exercising. They also conducted an experiment for patients suffering from schizophrenia, which they decided to partake in a 3-month physical program. The results showed improvements in all of the patients, from better weight control and better fitness levels, to greater exercise tolerance, reduced blood pressure levels, and increased energy levels. Importantly, physical exercise strengthens joints, bones, and muscles. As we all know, one of the most common issues among aging people is the pain they feel from their bones and joints. It's very imperative to strengthen and protect our bones, joints, and muscles as we grow into old adults. Exercises like weightlifting boost the protection of our muscles. Maintaining healthy joints, bones, and muscles ensures that we can all do our daily functions and activities. Above all this, physical exercise develops you to have a better looking appearance overall. This is a big bonus. I am not asserting that you should only exercise to get better looking, but in reality, a person looks physically richer with exercise. It is proven and seen already by many. Do not treat this as the very reason to get physically engaged, but without a shadow of a doubt, it's a certain added bonus. Exercise for the betterment of your physical and mental well-being, not just for the looks that can come with it. But if it's enough reason to get you physically moving, then it's certainly more than okay. The key to being motivated to exercise is to have a reason. It doesn't matter if the reason may be ridiculous, narcissistic, or whatsoever. The important thing is that you're leading yourself to become physically active. which will then translate to the betterment of your physical and mental health. Duly remember that you only have one body to live with. By being engaged with physical exercise, a person's life will be better. Not only this, but your body and your mind will thank you for keeping them properly functioning and maintained. Make the most out of your life and start doing it today. Through exercising, and all others will follow and fall in line. Keep in mind that at heart that we're living in a culture of convenience comes along with inconvenient consequences.